In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add forms to a Netlify project. We'll walk through the full process of getting your form ready, publishing your project, and then viewing the form submissions inside Netlify. This is a useful setup if you want to collect contact requests, feedback, or any other user input without building your own backend. To begin, prepare your HTML form inside your project. This is the foundation of everything because Netlify needs a valid form in your site in order to detect and process submissions. Make sure your form is already included in the HTML before you deploy. It's a good idea to double check the structure and confirm that the fields you want users to fill out are in place. Taking a moment here can save time later, especially if you plan to collect specific information from visitors. Once your form is ready, push your project to a Git provider such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. This step is important because Netlify commonly connects directly to a repository in order to build and publish your site. If your latest form changes are only stored locally, Netlify won't be able to see them. So before moving on, make sure your newest version is committed and pushed successfully. After that, connect your repository to Netlify. This allows Netlify to access your project files, run the deployment process, and publish the site online. During this stage, Netlify will pull in the project from your selected Git provider and prepare it as a hosted site. If you already have a site connected, just make sure the repository includes the updated form code. Next, log into your Netlify dashboard. This is where you'll manage your site's deployments and form activity. The dashboard is essentially your control center, so once you're signed in, you'll be able to navigate to the correct project and confirm that everything has been deployed properly. From there, select your site from the list of projects. Opening the correct site brings you to its settings and overview where you can manage features related to that specific deployment. This step matters if you have multiple sites in your account since you'll want to check the form data for the right project. Finally, click on the Forms tab to see your collected data. This is where Netlify displays submissions from your live form. If everything was set up correctly, your form should appear here, and any responses submitted through the site will be available for review. If you don't see entries right away, give the deployment a moment and make sure the published version includes the form, and that's how to add forms to a Netlify project.